Hello and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to reset your Bumble password. For that, just go and open your Bumble app. There you need to tap on continue signing in with your Apple ID, Facebook and phone number if you are signing in with your Apple ID, and if you are signing in with your Apple ID and Facebook, you need to go to that platform and change your password. I'll just show you how to reset your Apple password, and for that go and open your App Store. For that, go and open your settings and tap on your name, and then tap on this sign in and security button, and scroll down. You will see change password option. From here, following the prompts, you can reset your Apple password, and you can do that same with the Facebook. Just go and reset your Facebook password. And let me tell you, Bumble doesn't have traditional password system. It logins with verification code. Just tap on use cell phone number and enter your phone number. They will send you a verification code on your SMS. Here, just place that on the prompted area, and after that you will be logged in. So you don't need to reset your password. You can simply log in with OTP or continuing with Facebook and Apple ID. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.